Today I am reviewing the GEEKOM Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the brains behind this beast, the AMD Ryzen 8745HS processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread CPU built on AMD's cutting-edge 4nm Zen 4 architecture. It clocks up to a massive 4.9 GHz, meaning it can handle intensive tasks like AAA gaming, video editing, 3D rendering, and software development with ease. Pair that with 24 megabytes of total cache, and you've got a chip that competes with the best. But performance isn't just about the CPU. The GEEKOM AX8 Max comes with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM running at a blazing 5,600 MHz, ensuring lightning-fast multitasking and low latency, even under load. Whether you're opening dozens of Chrome tabs, editing 4K videos, or running virtual machines, this mini PC stays cool, fast, and reliable. Storage is equally impressive. It comes with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, giving you not only huge capacity, but incredibly fast boot times, quick app loading, and ultra-responsive performance. And if you need even more space, it's expandable up to 4 TB. Now, let's talk about the graphics. The integrated AMD Radeon 780M GPU is no joke. It features 12 compute units and runs it up to 2.6 GHz. It supports DirectX 12 and even AV1 encoding and decoding. What does that mean for you? It means smooth gameplay in titles like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and even Cyberpunk 2077 at medium settings. For a mini PC without a discrete graphics card, that's seriously impressive. And if you want to upgrade, you can even connect an external GPU via USB 4. More on that in a moment. This brings us to connectivity. The X8 Max is packed with ports. It has dual USB 4 Type-C ports, each capable of 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds, video output up to 8K at 30 Hz, and power delivery 3.0. Combine that with 2 HDMI ports, and you got a total of 4 display output support, including full 8K capability. This is a dream setup for creators, gamers, and productivity pros who thrive on multi-monitor workflows. It doesn't stop there. This mini PC features dual 2.5 gigabit LAN ports, perfect for professionals managing high-bandwidth networks, NAS setups, or link aggregation. Plus, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 give you top-tier wireless speed, stability, and connection range, essential for everything from gaming to Zoom calls. Now, let's touch on one of the most unique aspects, its thermal design. GEEKOM's Ice Blast 2.0 cooling system is engineered with honeycomb vents, reinforced heat pipes, and a premium-grade fan that keeps things cool even under stress. According to GEEKOM, noise levels are reduced by up to 50%. So yes, this mini PC runs silently even when working hard. You also get 3 performance modes: quiet mode for low power and noise, normal mode for daily use, and performance mode for gaming and rendering. You can easily switch between them in BIOS using the F7 key. No complicated setup required. Physically, the AX8 Max is built from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, making it lightweight yet extremely durable. It feels like a premium product, and it is. Precision CNC machining gives it a clean, high-end look that fits into both professional offices and high-tech gaming setups. Out of the box, you get Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, with full support for Linux and Ubuntu, making this one of the most versatile and developer-friendly mini PCs available. Whether you're building a home lab, streaming 4K content, working on CAD projects, or deploying a business server, this machine can handle it. And to top it all off, GEEKOM backs the AX8 Max with a 3-year warranty, plus 24/7 customer support from a US-based team. That's peace of mind you don't always get with competitors. So, should you buy the GEEKOM AX8 Max? If you want compact power, reliable performance, rock-solid connectivity, and room to grow, absolutely. It's perfect for gamers, content creators, business users, and anyone who needs serious computing power in a tiny, efficient form factor. To explore the GEEKOM AX8 Max further, or to grab one at a great price, make sure to check the link in the description below.